Hello internet family, Dan here from DansTube.TV, and today I am reviewing the GoPro Hero 7 White, which is the brand new budget Hero 7 from GoPro. They released the white, the silver, and the black, and the white version is the lower end budget version, which is $199 right now on Amazon. I will have the link below. Before I jump into my review, I want to give a massive thank you to Ian from Aussie Tech, who helped out with this review here. He actually has a review of the Hero 7 White on his channel, so I will have a link below to check out his video review. But moving on to my review now, I have not been overly impressed with the Hero 7 White. One of the biggest issues for me is the fact that this was advertised as a 1080p camera. It says it on the box, it says it on their official website and their official Amazon listing. It does say that it supports 1080p 60, but if you read the small print, it actually says that it shoots in 1440p, and then you have the option to crop it to 1080p. So that means that you would then have to edit it either on your phone or on your computer to make some sort of usable 1080p footage. This, in my opinion, is honestly unacceptable. This is not a usable action camera, especially for the people that will actually be using a budget action camera. Most of the people picking this up won't really have much experience when it comes to post-production or any sort of editing, so you would think that there would be an option for both 1080p and 1440p. That would be a simple solution for everyone, but no, you can only shoot 1440p, and from what I've understood from my conversations with the GoPro team is that this is targeted more so at the social networks. The 1440p footage is perfect for Instagram, but then it's not great for Facebook, because you would think you'd want 1080p on Facebook, for YouTube you'd want 1080p, and for pretty much every other platform besides Instagram you'd want 1080p. So I don't know what they were thinking with this one. I also was a little bit underwhelmed with the new user interface. Now, it does work most of the time and it's quite a clean interface, but it also bugs out quite a lot, it is a little bit delayed, and I had some issues where it would just completely freeze up on me. And this is meant to be an action camera to capture the action, and if it freezes on you, then that is not useful at all. But obviously, this is a brand new user interface, so I'm sure that will be improved as time goes on. Now, there are definitely some positives about this action camera. There are some things that I absolutely love. One thing is the stabilization. It's actually really stable, and the footage comes out extremely smooth. You don't get too much warping or wobbly kind of movement. It actually looks really smooth, so I was impressed with that. I was also relatively impressed with the 10 megapixel photos. They aren't too bad at all, they're relatively nice. I love the fact that it's got the full waterproof body, so you don't have to worry about putting it in a case or anything. And I also like the fact that they've finally differentiated from the black, the silver, and the white. We actually now have different colors, so I like the design, and I think that this is a cool action camera besides the fact that it's limiting in certain aspects. The time-lapse feature on the Hero 7 White works really well, and that was something that I found just super easy to go into and then capture a really cool time-lapse. I love the fact that voice control is available on the budget version. I also love the fact that you have options for photo timer, you also have burst mode, and you have the option to shoot vertically. So now when you rotate your camera, it will actually change the interface so you can shoot either vertically or horizontally. So there are definitely some positives about the Hero 7 White, and some things that I'm really happy to see in a budget GoPro. Although I would not recommend this GoPro at all, and I don't think we should be encouraging GoPro at all. The fact that they only offer 1440p is ridiculous. And the thing that's even crazier is if you get the Hero 7 Silver, you can only shoot in 1440p or 4K. So again, you don't have many options if you upgrade from the white to the silver. But if you go to the black, you have every option under the sun. So they're really targeting the high-end market here, and I do not think we should encourage this at all. Honestly, do not pick up the Hero 7 White. There are some better options out there, and I guarantee that you will be disappointed with the limited 1440p. And hopefully, maybe something will happen in the future. Maybe there will be a 1080p update. But this is ridiculous that this was advertised as a 1080p camera and only offers 1440p. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to have a fantastic day. Definitely make sure to leave a comment below letting me know if this video stopped you from picking up the Hero 7 White. hopefully I was a savior in this situation, and I saved some people some money, because I know that I was disappointed and I got my money back. Also, let me know if you did get a refund. Let me know if you're considering maybe the silver or the black. Just start a conversation below. It's always really interesting, and I always reply to my comments. So thank you again for watching. Make sure to have a splendid day, and peace out.